gonna take more to take me out the game. Spit raw flames to tear a nigga out the frame. Better not get in my lane. 16 bars come pure like cocaine. Acid rain, came back to reopen wounds and bring pain. Strike out like an animal inside a cage. Hungry for days, I'm showing rage. Murder when I put the pencil to the page. Flowing from the mental, y'all better pack your utensils. Killing rappers and all I'm leaving is the dental. Lack style potential, rappers is all standard and my shit is essential. Making this shit simple, so I can smash rappers and make them fall out of tempo. It's a hostile takeover, I ain't in it to be gentle. So I'ma put pressure until they pop like a pimple. Ginsu, I'ma split you open when I hit you. Like knives tearing through tissue, my shit's so lethal. Rappers come close, but our flows ain't equal. Fragile like glass when I shatter your ego. I'll stand on my own, go ahead and bring your people. The way I rate tracks, you should consider me illegal. I'm a wolf in this bitch, you a regular beagle. Fucking with finesse will get you squashed like a beetle. Eliminate opponents, feed the rest to the sea.